Hi, welcome back to a wonderful episode of Wake Up and Live with Bob. Today, we want to talk about the road fatalities in Jamaica. Now, Jamaica's fatalities are an issue of concern, and do not for a minute believe that Jamaicans don't know why. Nearly all Jamaicans understand why such a large fatality. After the 1980 election ended Jamaica's progressive type politics, conservative politics dominated for the next roughly about 9, 10 years. All right. It took Jamaica another 20 years again before we started doing certain things that are considered just everyday generalities on roadways. What ended up happening was a breakdown. What followed that 9 years was a breakdown of traffic laws and rules. We see where street signs were no longer priority. We didn't put up street signs for years, for nearly 2 decades. We see stoplights in non-traditional areas like Montego Bay. We had a few traffic lights in the 70s. In eh, During the 80s, we took them all down. The only places we put up traffic lights was in Kingston. Fire hydrants, for example. Fire hydrants became a thing of the past. We just didn't install fire hydrants along roadways anymore. We see traffic signs that give direction to where you're going. We no longer did those. It's like they just weren't priorities. And what ended up happening overall was just this uh, this um, this uh, politicizing of our motor vehicle departments, just like many other departments, but our motor vehicle departments, and the driving examiners became very corrupt. We I can remember examiners issuing driver's license to illiterate drivers, to people who never even as much as ride a bicycle, to people who could be considered legally blind, not blind as in blind, but legally blind. You need glasses and or some sort of corrective vision procedure. Or I see people who are disabled, don't walk properly, and can't sit properly to drive or reach a pedal, like a person with a short leg and a long leg, kind of thing. I see people who are known to be alcoholics who never go a day without being drunk. I've seen people like that buy driver's license to drive units that like having a driver's license for a truck or a bus, and they are primarily they can't drive. They're going to learn to drive on the road when they have this illegally purchased driver's license in their pocket. Over 3 generations of drivers on the road are likely to have purchased their driver's license. Right? We can probably safely say 7 out of 10 over that last 3 generations we have now that may have actually purchased their driver's license. This may explain the frequent incidences of road fatalities. Now, it is not just to talk about them. If you we should try to do something about them. In my videos, I try to offer some solution, and I just want to say, if you know someone in your family either buying or selling driver's license, please hold them accountable. I'm not going to tell you how to hold them accountable, that's up to you, but please hold them accountable. At least sit them down and have a conversation with them. about safety. The life you are saving may very well be your own. Talk to them. This is Wake Up and Live with Bob. And if you haven't yet done so, please like, share, subscribe, and tell someone about my video. Thanks again for watching.